coin staking is providing your coin as investment so that other people can borrow it through the exchange for their margin trading. So when you provide this coin, the exchange will pay you interest. So it is usually called locked staking because you are going to lock that coin for a period of time. Some can be 15 days, some can be 30 days, some can be 6 months. So when you provide this staking, you are getting interest not in dollar, but in that coin you staked. Let's say you staked Binance coin or you staked Ethereum. You're getting Ethereum, maybe 0.005 Ethereum, 0.06 Ethereum. You're getting Ethereum as your interest. So by the time the staking is done, you will see that your Ethereum has increased in number of Ethereum, not in price, but in quantity. In quantity. So why I'm saying this, that you can stake your Ethereum. Maybe you have 1.15 Ethereum, and by the time the staking is done, you may have 1.19 Ethereum, and then the price of Ethereum will have dropped, and what you staked may be $1,000. You are now seeing that you are having $800. You're not wondering what happened. That you thought that you are supposed to get interest. What you are getting is quantity, not the price. So what I mean by this is that if you stake 1.15 Ethereum, for example, or 0.15 Ethereum, and at the end of the staking, maybe after 30 days, after 60 days, you are seeing 1.19 Ethereum. If the quantity has increased, it now depends on the market to make the price go up or go down, but the quantity has increased. So that is how it will happen. The staking on Binance is low risk. Low risk in the sense that once you stake, Binance will ensure that you are protected. This is different from yield farming. Yield farming is that there is what's called impermanent loss. In yield farming, sometimes you can lose your money. But if it is normal staking, it is low risk, which means your money will always be there for you. So, and that is done on Binance. So when you have coins, you don't want to spend, you don't want to trade with, you don't want to do anything with the coin, you just want to buy this coin and keep for a long time. You can stake them and make some extra coins on top of them. So how do you do staking? Is that you go to your Binance page. Once you come to this home page, you will see deposit, referral, strategy trading, auto invest, and more. You click on more. If you're using Binance app, click on more. If you're using a PC or a laptop or a MacBook, you will see the staking option and your home once you come into the home. So once you get to this place, you click on staking. You can see auto invest, swap farming, staking. You click on staking. Okay. Thank God it has opened now. So if you click on staking, it is showing you the options they have. For instance, they have for sand. If you have sand, and what you are staking is coin you have. If you have sand, they have 10 days duration. They have 30 days. They have 60 days. They have 90 days. So I don't have sand at the moment. So you keep scrolling down to see the coin you have. So for SAN, they have 24.5%. 24.5%. So and you know, another thing you need to know about this staking is that it is not always available. This opportunity is not always available, and the percentage they offer is also variable. It can change. Like now, they're offering 24.5% for sand for 10 days staking. So if you have sand now and stake it for 10 days here, after 10 days, you're going to have additional 24.5% of sand added to your coin. If you are staking for 30 days, it will drop to 8.5%. For 60 days, it is 10.75%. For 90 days, it is 14.75%. But for 10 days only, it is 24.5%. Do you know what this means? It means that if you have, let's say, 50 sand tokens, and you stake it here. Okay, no, let me say if you have 100 sand tokens and you stake it here, after 10 days, you're going to have extra 24.5%. So you're going to have in all 124.5 sand tokens. So this is a good one. If you have sand, you might want to try it for 10 days and you will see the benefits. So these are options. And because we are lucky to have this now, if you come back tomorrow, this may not be there anymore. And if you come back tomorrow, this percentage will have dropped. You know, it is like treasury bill. Like treasury bill, the percentage interest I have when I buy the treasury bill today and what you have when you buy the treasury bill tomorrow may not be the same. It depends on the prevailing conditions and the prevailing situation and prevailing needs at that point. Maybe now these people need this urgently for next 10 days. Maybe there are people ready to borrow it for next 10 days. So that's why you see this high interest. Then you scroll down, see that you have TV care for 7.67% for 10 days, CT care for 3.8%, ACA, what Jesus Christ, ACA is 128.8%. So if you have this coin now, and but it's not more available. Why is it's not more available? If you're using check means it's not more available. You see what he's saying here? He says the product has sold out. The product has sold out, so this is no more available. I know people will rush it now. Even me, I will just go and buy this AC and stake here for 10 days, and they will make 128%. So it's no more available. Then STX 18.75% for 30 days. 60 days 22.41%, 90 days 28.6. Okay, 90 days no more available, but 60 days is still there. Then CLV CLV is 8.15%, Celo is 5.05%, Doc is this cake is for 2.25%, 42.25%. Wow. EZ is 15%, 60 days to 12%, to 9%. I think I have this coin, so let me stake it for 60 days and make it 12%. So let's try it. So let's see how it works. If you are going for 30 days, to give us 15%. If you go for 60 days, it will give us 21%. If we go to 90 days, to give us 29%. Let's take it for 60 days. So it means that in the next 30 days, I'm not going to touch this coin. Okay, so I'm going for 60 days. It says please enter the quantity. It's a local amount. Please enter the quantity. I have 21.4 available, so I want to stake all of them. And it says the minimum is 1 EZ, while the maximum is 3,000 EZ. So I want to put all I have. I have 21. So because I have 21, I have selected max, which is 21.4. So I've staked it for the next 60 days. And then it's going to give me, it says that estimated APY is 21%. So estimated interest I'm going to have is 0.7387. So I will agree by clicking this, I confirm. So brothers and sisters, I have staked this coin. Say date of lock is today, 29 January 2022, and redemption date is April 1, 2022. So I will not touch this coin until April 1 this year. So this is what you do to coin that you don't want to use for anything. You just want to buy it and keep. You stake them to be making money for you or to be adding for you. You know, this is like your money working for you. This is guaranteed investment. So at the end of the lock-in period, you will get all your coins together with the interest. So if you have some coins you don't want to use in the meantime, you come to staking and check if they're available. You can check what you are staking is not the price. What you are staking is quantity. Is quantity. If you notice what we are discussing here, what they were asked us, the quantity. You know, it's about quantity, not about price. Not price. It cares all about quantity. If you stake 20 and you make 10%, so you make additional 2, making it 22. Whatever the price is in the market is not their business. Whether the price went down or price goes up, it's not their business. So it's just that you are getting additional quantity to what you have. Okay. Okay. So